Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko. All right, let's talk about the new jersey and how do you see the new jersey? Which one is your favorite?
Well,
Look, you are still talking jersey.
Well, the point is, I like the one with the pictures, but I was thinking about how are we going to insert the MTN logo in front of it, because we wouldn't be able to see the pictures anymore if we have the MTN.
True.
So I was thinking about that, but the one with the traditional symbols is also nice. But for the white one, I would definitely go for the one with the porcupine. How do you call it? Yeah, with the spikes. Yeah, with the spikes. I'll go for the one with the spikes. I think the other one is too ordinary, in my opinion, and it could just look like a normal T-shirt or a normal JC. But I think I will go for the one with the spikes. But the red one, I think I will go for the one with the pictures though.
All right, me personally, I'll go for the one with the symbols. It's just crisp. The thing is that I'm just scared that the MTN logo
is going to destroy everything. But I think they should be really crafty in coming up with how they are going to manage it this time.
It's fair, and just put MTN there instead of the main box.
Big, you know.
This one spoils the beauty of that. Apart from the quality, the appearance, it spoils it. Seriously.
I know. I heard a lot of people complaining about it on Twitter as well. So
I think there's a video on the YouTube channel, on the channel that I talked about how big the MTN logo was and how it was.
I think I watched it. I think I watched it on your channel, I guess.
Yeah, I did that video, I think last year, and Zachariason was our coach there when I did that video.
All right, that fraud.
So how soon do you think that this jersey will be ready? Do you think it will be ready for a new season?
To be honest, I think they have already made the choice, but I mean, they need, they want to mobilize the fans right now. So I think it's a way, in mobilizing the younger fans, because if you are going to use the older version in mobilizing the fans, I don't think nobody is going to give you an attention. So
so you think they have already made the decision?
That's my opinion, because at the end of the day, we are not gonna be able to see the results because they will come back to us with this one, but how many votes won that? Who voted? There's not gonna be.
You mean they can manipulate the votes?
So I think it's already done, but it's a smart way for Nanaya and his team to mobilize with the younger fans, to vote for it. But I mean, it's nice if you can also cast your vote, because at least you'll be heard.
I understand.